Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions. Today again I come back here to provide the valuable informations that is related to the biomedical engineering services. Today very proudful informations I'm going to share which is challengeable and which is important and which is recommended in the competitive society. Yes, now listen to carefully and be alert and let me start now one by one all things and today what I have selected the topic that is PCB track procedure. This is the main topic in biomedical engineering services to become a technical engineer, to become a technical services, and to provide the technical services purpose. These are the very, very important how to track the PCB procedure. Okay. So everything pin to pin point, I'm going to explain. And today I'm going to share this live session about this topic PCB track procedures. Here all kinds of informations about this topic I will explore here. Here 4 to 5 slides are there which is technical basis and everything pin to pin. Okay, first of all I will say like one by one. First one is PCB track procedure. What are the things are there, what things need to follow as a biomedical engineering. And I hope if you engage my sessions, definitely at the end of this session you will get a good informations and good experiences by my exclusive. Okay, right. Now let me introduce first of all. Before entering topic, I want to give the introduction about myself. It's very, very important to all inspiring purpose. I am Ganesh, State Regional Manager, Biomedical Engineering Operations Servicing. Now I'm leading handling biomedical engineering operations in state level. So lacks of equipments and critical and non-critical, major, minor. Okay, so all kinds of equipments. So 1 lakh equipments we are maintaining under the team of 100 engineers. So multiple engineers, I'm giving the instructions and I'm leading the team and completely to run the BMMP services successfully, 100 out of 100%. So there, where everyone dedication is very, very important. And today my intention is I'm going to dedicate this live session, whoever working in biomedical engineering services, there whoever working junior, senior, experienced, senior, okay, specialist, technical specialist, all kinds of engineers whoever provide the services, this information is going to helpful in your life. Okay, and listen to carefully. Every live sessions I'm going to give the presentations because of those are the valid experiences what I have in my life. So 18 years of experiences in my life. So those things I'm going to share here. I'm going to explain here and try to listen it carefully and try to change your life to normal life to technical life. Okay. So today, whatever I'm giving presentations, everything definitely it is going to helpful in your life, right? So social awareness purpose today I'm giving here, and many engineers are waiting, many engineers are asking me. And when I am leading the team as a state regional manager, so after done my duty, I come back here to provide the valuable informations and it is going to record in my live sessions. Okay, right? I hope you got it. Got it. My clarifications and listen to carefully. Stay professional. Professional is very, very important, right? And whatever I'm sharing information that is going to helpful in your work area, job area, you can do perform, you can provide the services, and you will get a great information about the biomedical services. Okay, so these are the normal introduction daily I'm giving. So and see, I have crossed over multiple designations from student life to top level state regional manager, and daily I'm learning all things and practicing, I'm implementing and lead the team, and I'm focused my career to get a good positions in my life. So everything I achieved in my life, that's why, and listen to carefully. When enter into the topic, I will give the presentations and what the things are there, and to track the PCB purpose. Okay. So technically PCB tracking procedures, I will tell you, I will show you, and listen it carefully, right? And let me finish right now. What are the topics I bring it for you all, and those things I'm going to explain very clearly. And whoever may not have an idea, for those persons, definitely it is going to helpful in your work area, right? Right, come to the point right now. Let me show you today what I bring it for you. I want to show you right now, sir. Come on. My dear engineers and students, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Right. Our excellent topic, and be alert and be energetic because of today what we are studying and what we are reading and what we are doing. Everything we should get a professional life and we should be settled in our life, right? So especially in biomedical engineering services, their technical part is the very, very important, and you will get a good salaries when compare the other engineers. Okay. So here I want to give the complete information about this topic. See here. Today I bring it for you. See here. I want to give the introduction. See here. live 19/8 2026, and PCB track see here, PCB track tracking in medical equipment, complete practical troubleshooting masterclass. Okay, so in slide basis I will give you explanation. First of all, see this my presentation. First of all, through this topic only we will go enter in topic and we will discuss all things, right? Yes. First of all, be proud because of see today complete busy every day. I'm doing my job as a state regional manager. Many responsibilities are there and top level categories are there. So that much responsibility I lead in my life, and at the same time, after completion of a duty, I come back here to provide the valuable information. Okay, so how much I love, how much I'm passionate my job. So you have to understand. So everybody, every engineer should have a proper knowledge. So that is the reason daily basis I'm coming in to provide the information which is important and which is necessary to all biomedical engineering services. Okay, I hope you got it right. Yes. Now see here, PCB tracking procedure and step-by-step practical guide and faulty finding and diagnosis and multimeter oscilloscope use, and see here, these all things in my live sessions, these all things practicals only. Okay. So when I was the biomedical engineer time, senior biomedical engineer, junior bio, so that time whatever we did the works and whatever we have practiced and those things, whatever I got the experience in different hospitals and companies and projects. Okay. So today I want to give the awareness, and by giving the presentations, so those are the points what I'm showing here, and try to keep in your mind and try to listen it carefully because of life is very, very important. Right? Right. Come on. I hope you got it very clearly. See it now. First of all, see this presentation right now, my dear engineers. Very clearly. Now we are discussing about the what? PCB track procedure. First of all, we will start now. Okay. My dear engineers and students, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Now come to the topic right now, and whoever new person subscribe now. This is very, very important topic on what I'm going to discuss here. Now, my dear engineers, listen to carefully and see now. This is my presentation here. What I'm going to give the explanation for your awareness purpose. And PCB track procedure in medical equipment. What are the things are there? And step by step, I will guide you. I will show you. And if it is needed, I will add my real-time hospital experiences and everything. I'm going to support you all. Okay, right? Come on. Now slowly I will tell you and listen to carefully, okay, without confusion. You have to focus on things, and whoever interested, whoever new persons, subscribe now. And see here, PCB track procedure in medical equipment, biomedical equipment, and step-by-step guide for safe, accurate, and effective troubleshooting. Okay. So now we are going to discuss, see, these are the points. See here, for track procedure purpose, what are the points important? I'm going to give the explanation in this presentation. Right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Now, first of all, what are the main total 9 points are there? So 9 points headings I am going to read out and I will tell you. And next, I will give the explanation each point. Okay. Now, tracking procedure purpose. First one, see here, safety first. Next, second point is visual inspection. Next, third one, see here, understand the circuit. And fourth one, follow the copper track. And see here. Next, sixth one, see here, check power rails and signal tracing. And eighth point is identify faults. And see here, tools required. What are the tools required? I'm going to say. And use a digital multimeter and 9 repair things. Okay. So these based only, I will give the explanation in this slide presentation. After this, next in this presentation only, we have some PCB, how to, what is PCB, what are the things are there, how to prepare, what are the skill, everything I'm going to explain here. Okay. Now come here. First of all, we see this PCB track tracing flow. PCB, how look like? First of all, see this picture. For technically, technically, if you want to know, then these are the things, basic information is very, very important for every biomedical engineer. Now see here, whatever I'm giving here, I'm showing the presentation. See here, PCB track tracing flow. So whatever is visible on the display, see here, this is the PCB, and what are the things are here? Input and power supply and regulator IC and signal path for your sample purpose. Okay. And what are the things important? I will tell you right now, and listen to carefully and try to engage. And whoever newcomers, subscribe now and share with your friends and like my sessions And let me continue right now. Keep watch my sessions right now. Okay, this is the PCB. For your awareness purpose, I mean, now first we will select the, see here, in this PCB trace purpose, safety first is very, very important. Okay, and these are the instructions I'm giving you, because of whenever you face the equipment, whenever you going to prepare the equipment, then these are the things you have to take care proper. Yes. Now see, a safety first. This safety first means in these points what points need to cover. I'm going to say safety first means here disconnect AC powers and remove battery if applicable. Discharge high voltage and capacitors before touching the board. Okay, because of this board is completely good conductivity, and that is the reason before touching this you have to remove the all connections. That's why safety first. Okay, right. Next, see here, visual inspection. So PCB tracing purpose procedure, what are the steps I'm going to say? And now second point, see here, visual inspection. Okay, so visual inspection means, see here, whenever you see this equipment, when you see this PCB board, then look for burnt tracks, cracked solder joints, damaged ICs, and corroded areas, and using magnifying glasses or microscope for fine pitch boards. Okay, so first of all, if you go to the repair for the PCB boards, then you have to visual inspection what to do. So these are the things, burning or not, you have to observe, and cracking and soldering joints and everything. Sometimes we have to resoldering the components. Then that is the reason. If you visual inspection do the well, then definitely you will catch it. Okay. Next third point, see here. So these are the basic senior guidance is very, very important, because of without knowing these all informations, don't touch the PCB boards, because of it's very, very dangerous, and directly it will affect you sometimes. Okay, and that's why these are the points. So if you want to be perfect also, these are the pin to pin points you have to keep in your mind, that then only we will become a PCB trace. Okay, tracer. Next, see here, understand the circuit. See here, identify the power supply and section control MCU, microcontroller unit, sensors and drivers and output stage, and use service manual or PCB silk screen markings if available. Okay, these are the very, very important things to see here. For your awareness purpose, see here what are we going to discuss here, how PCB tracing procedures. Okay, so step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, like I'm going to give the instructions. Those instructions you have to follow, you have to keep in your mind, and while doing the services, then you have to touch the equipment, you have to do the all things as a biomedical engineer. Okay, it is the one of the part of the technical part in a biomedical engineering, very, very important. Okay, right, I hope you got it very clearly. Let me continue right now. Yes, thank you, students. Now come here, fourth point. See here, very clearly informations I'm going to show you, because of this type of explanation not available in the social media. That's why today I'm providing live sessions, everything unique way. Right now, come to the point. Right now, follow the copper track. So in PCB trace procedure, fourth point, procedure 4, you have to follow. See here, start from the input connector or power connector, and follow the copper trace to each component using good lighting. Okay, these are the very, very important. Say, if you are a biomedical engineer, if you are working as a biomedical, there nobody there to support you, because of these are the technical challenging and recommending points in the biomedical services. That's why whenever you are interested, whenever you are showing interested, when you practice, then only you know, then only chances to know these all things, then only will become a technical master. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, follow the copper trace and each component using good lighting. For multi-layer PCBs, expect some tracks to run through via to inner layers. Okay, these are the things happening. So follow the copper track. Okay, I hope you got it. Right. First of all, let me show you all things. Then I will go deeply, and see, because of today 4 to 5 slides are there to give you explanation in this presentation. Okay, and see, use a digital multimeter, because of, see, we have PCB tracing procedure purpose. Multimeter is the very, very important. Okay, very, very important. That's why every time I'm saying every biomedical engineer should become a technical, and you should focus on technical categories, then only you will have a bright future. Okay, right, come on, let me continue right now. And see, fifth point, set the meter to continuity beep mode, and place one probe at the start of a track, and move the other probe along suspected connection points. Okay, and a beep indicates electrical continuity. See, to trace the, see, PCB tracing means it's not a easy job, okay? It is a challengeable job, and you should have capable, and you should have that much knowledge, okay? For that, but see, everything is possible. You have to keep effort. Definitely you will get success. Understand? So here proper discipline is important, and proper follow up regularity is important. And what are the things I'm giving here? Those things you have to focus on your work area, right? Yes, come on, listen to carefully. Now fifth point, okay? Next, come here. Sixth point, what I'm going to cover here, and listen to carefully. Very clear points I'm going to show you. See, and check power rails. Understand? See what I'm discussing here again. PCB tracing procedure, that is fifth point. See here, sixth point. What need to check it, and what are the things you have to keep in your mind and listen to carefully, right? Okay. And check power rails. See here. Verify rails such as plus 3.3 voltage, or plus 5 voltage, and plus 12 voltage, plus 24 voltage, or other. So equipment specific supplies. Okay. Next, trace from power unit input through fuses, production, and circuits, regulators, and ICs. See, these are things when you do, only when you trace the PCB procedures, when you trace the PCB, what the component is damaged, and sometimes tracking issue. So everything by visual inspection. Total 9 points I'm going to give you. So those are the informations, daily in your activity, daily activities you have to practice. Okay. Right. And these all things, see, when I'm saying, then if you listen, okay. But after listening, if you are interested really, if you want to become a technical biomedical engineer, then these are things whenever you free, then you go to the hospital, then there one medical equipment, open it and remove it and check it all things, and what are the boards are there and how tracks are going. Everything you have to monitor practically. Okay. Here I am giving instructions. Whoever you may not have an idea, and whoever suffering, and whoever feel very panic and fear, then I want to give the full clarifications through my live sessions. Okay. So sixth point, see here, PCB trace purpose. Next, seventh point, see here, signal tracing. Okay. So these all things when you go practical way, then easily you can do it. Okay. For your knowledge purpose, I'm going to give the awareness points. And signal tracing, see here, use an oscilloscope for clocks, communication, and buses. PW. Okay, PWM signals are sensor outputs, and compare measured signals with expected values if documentation is available. Okay, so these are the things pin to pin point you have to understand. Then only you will become a technical biomedical engineer. Okay, technical biomedical engineer is the very demand and recommend in the society, and every hospitals are asking because of skilled engineer and problem solver required to the hospital. So that is the reason everybody try to engage my sessions, and try to become a practical way, and you should become a practical engineer and skilled engineer. Okay, right? Come on. Now in PCB tracer, see here, these are the seventh point. I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Yes, identify faults. See here. So see, see, by tracing the PCB procedure purpose, see, open a broken PCB tracks and short circuit between adjacent tracks, and damaged wires, failed passive components, and resistor capacitors or ICs. Okay. So these are things. So why fail the components? You have to know. Okay. So tracing, why we are doing the tracing, because you have to find out the issues, to find out the components, to replace the components whatever defective. Why got defective? Because of sometimes electrical fluctuations will come, then high voltage, low voltage, sometimes whenever they will face, then this type of problems will cause this. Okay, right? I hope you got it. Now come to the ninth point. See here, ninth point of the PCB trace procedure and repair. See here, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9. Okay, now come to the ninth point. See here, repair, bridge broken tracks with insulated jumper wire if necessary. Replace damaged components and clean the PCB after soldering, and inspect for soldering bridges. Okay. So these are the things. See, 9 points are very, very important. And what I'm giving here, informations. Okay. So today my intention what, every engineer should have basic informations. So that's why I want to give the complete informations about the PCB track procedure. Okay. So here what I have given explanation. See here. See, different equipment having a different PCBs. I'm giving only sample purpose. What are the PCB? What are the components are there, and how placed and how tracks are formed? Those things I'm going to say here. Okay. Because of technical purpose, for your awareness purpose, these are the things very very important. If you understand, then we go deeply in this topic. Okay. Right, my dear engineers, and whoever new person subscribe now. Very very important topic today. I'm giving here informations to all. And total 9 points. Okay, so for this based only, next slide we have. And next see here, important tips see here, always follow ESD safety procedures, precautions, and refer to service manual whenever possible, and double click before powering an equipment. Okay, next see here, why it matters. And see, proper PCB track tracing ensure accurate and fault detection, prevention repeat failures, and guarantee reliable performance of critical medical equipment. Okay. See, if I share this all information, so you can get it. But at the same time, if I'm talking, if I'm giving the presentation, then you will be clarity. Yes, Ganesh sir is there, senior biomedical is there. So in biomedical, so good trainer is available. So at that time you will get a confidence. So definitely you will have a bright future, and you will take my inspiration in my life, right? And see, remember safety, accuracy, patience, documentation, and quality repair, reliability. Okay. So today, see this on this information. If I share, then you may not understand. So that's why one more topic I bring it for you in this live sessions. Okay. I hope you got it. Right. Come on. And whoever new person, please subscribe now. And PCB tracking purpose in this way, total 9 points you have to follow. Step 1, step 2, like these are the pin to pin point. Because see, whenever you are doing the job in biomedical services, patience level is very very important. Because of these are things, if you open the equipment, that is time taken process. Ventilator, if you want to open, that is time taken 1 hour, half an hour, and complete checking all things, it is a time taken process. So that's why if you keep your ambition, if your ambition is strong, then definitely you will get achieve all things. Okay. So everything, try to keep efforts in a possible way, and try to listen all things. And these are the technical points. And whenever you get your experiences, when you're doing as a biomedical services, then only you will come to know. And practical things, when you provide the services, then only these are the opportunities you will face in your life, right? Yes, come on. Now come on, this slide is completed. Next slide I'm going to show you. So these are the slides I brought it for you all. And now see here, PCB track complete guide I want to tell you. See this first of all, in this live session, my target is PCB trace procedure. I want to tell you that's why I have explained very clearly. Now in this presentation, biomedical engineers listen to carefully, and keep watch my sessions and focus on my channel. Definitely valid points only always I'm discussing. And now here I'm going to give the instructions. See here, PCB track complete guide purpose. Okay, here point wise I bring it for you. Every point I will explain, I will read out, and I will show you with pictures for your knowledge purpose, for your awareness purpose. Okay, right. Now let me show you first of all pin to pin point. I want to show you. I want to give the explanations and which is important. Okay, and listen to carefully, and keep your mobile mute, because of these are the important points in your work area to provide the services. Okay, to provide the services, to repair the equipment in every biomedical engineer. So don't stop at non-critical equipment. Okay, always repairing sterilizer, always repairing nebulizer, sphygmomanometer. That is not a life. Okay, so everybody is important for company, for hospital, because of even small equipment also important. But at the same time, if you are working as a biomedical engineer, first of all you have to practice non-critical equipment. After that you have to focus on high-end equipments. Okay, critical equipments and high cost equipments you have to practice. So starting, nobody tell you. That's why basic informations I want to give you in this live session. In this live session about technical related only PCB tracing purpose. Next PCB track complete guide purpose, and what are the things where we are using everything pin to pin. I will tell you, right? Okay. I hope you are catching my points right now. Let me continue right now. Yes, thank you so much. And first of all, I should be gratitude, and 12 lakhs views reaching my channel. Thank you very much. And now come here. These are the points here. First of all, I'm going to read the headings. In PCB track complete guide, I want to say, see here, listen to carefully. Important of PCB track, I will tell you. And what is PCB and applications, I will tell you. and precautions of PCB track procedure I will tell you. Okay, and see which basic track the components, and to be perfect in this task, how much time taken, and these are the things, see, real-time hospital experiences we have. So those things I will add in my life experiences points, and I will tell you very clearly. I will make you understand way. Okay, and don't get panic and don't fear about the technical words, because of these are the very very important and very easy to get it whenever you keep efforts. Okay, now 60 points here. Why need to track PCB? What results you get? So these are the questions you have to question yourself first of all. Okay, that's why what questions you have to raise in your mind. Those things I'm going to say, and listen to carefully. As your biomedical engineers, what are the things you need to take precautions while do the services? Okay. Now 7th point is how tracking. See here, how tracking system form, and 8th points here PCB how prepared, what material used, and next year how placed the components. See now here I'm going to show you what are the headings I'm going to say. Okay, and topic wise, heading wise, I will explain all things, and try to listen carefully, and every point is going to change your life. And see here, it's a good conductor or not, and PCB safety precautions, and see here, tracking purpose material silver. Okay, next if track damaged, what will happen, and pin to pin tracking easy explanation in this way. Next, see here, everything pin to pin details. What are the pin to pin, how we connected? So everything I will tell you right now. Listen to carefully. These are the points I'm going to explain right now in this presentation. I hope you all watch my sessions, and whoever engage my sessions, subscribe now first of all, and let me finish right now whatever I'm thinking here. Definitely my live sessions, it is going to helpful in your career, and whoever new persons and seniors, and see 5 years 10 years experienced persons, and so they are not ready to do the technical services because of they are fearing and they are not have confident. So how do you get confident? That's why listen to carefully and try to subscribe my channel, and definitely valid information I'm going to say here. And see, for your basic purpose, I'm going to show you, and practically also how to track the components and how to track the PCB. Then if I show you, then you can understand. Okay, and coming sessions, that type of live sessions also I'm going to create by using my own experiences. Okay, and these all things today I'm giving. See, now come to the point right now. PCB track complete guide purpose. First of all, we will take one point. See here, point wise I'm going to give the explanations. So because of everything necessity points and important points, I'm going to give the explanation in this live sessions. Okay, right, whoever engaged, please subscribe now. First of all, let me finish right now. And now see at PCB trace, see PCB purpose. Now we are discussing PCB purpose. What are the things are there? See, importance of PCB track, because of these are the important, because see these are the questions. If I do this work, what I will get it? If I finish this job, what I will get it? We question like that, yes or no? So like if you think like that, see now importance of PCB printed circuit board track. Okay, importance of PCB track. See here, now I'm going to read out. See here, PCB how look like and what are the things are there. PCB track is the path that connects the components electrically. Okay, what is the importance of PCB? I'm going to tell you, and listen to carefully and try to keep it in your mind, and you should be remember in your mind. Okay, whenever you face the interviews, and whenever you go to the interviews, whenever you get a good job for your career purpose, these are the skills very very important. It is going to support in your life. Right, listen to carefully. Now first point, see here, PCB track is the path that connects components electrically. Okay. Next, see here, importance I'm going to say. And see here, ensures power proper current flow and signal transmission. Okay. So here you can see the image, then you can find out how look like, and see if you get see if you are practical way, if you go practical way, then it is very very interested. For whoever not have idea, for those persons purpose, I'm going to give the awareness. Okay, now see here, next here, importance of PCB track. See here, reduces wiring complexity and assembly time. Okay, whenever you see the real PCB, then you come to know whatever I'm saying here, the points, right? And now reduces wire complexity and assembly time, and improves reliability and performance of the circuit, and essential for compact, safe and efficient electronic devices. I hope you got it very clearly, my dear juniors and engineers. Importance of PCB track. I hope you got it very clearly what I'm saying here. Yes, is it clear? Because of see, these all information, so what things, what to do, what not to do, everything is important, and for every biomedical engineering purpose, every senior is very very important. Senior guidance is very very important. So that's why today I'm giving all information. So definitely it is very very hopefully it is very useful in your work area. Okay, the first point I have completed here, importance of PCB track. Now come here, what is PCB and applications? See, till now I'm giving a lot of information, sir, but what is PCB, sir? See, these all things today I'm providing means why? Because of students, college students, and job holders, and like experienced engineers. Sir, I want to become a specialist, sir. Sir, I want to become a technical engineer, sir. So those things purpose. These are the basic sources to gain your skills. Okay, right. Now let me say what is PCB and applications. I'm going to say, then you can understand. Okay, right. Come on. What is PCB? We see here, printed circuit board is a flat board made of insulating material with good conductive tracks, pads, and holes etched on it to connect electronic components. Simple. Okay. This definition also not critical. Understand? Easy way points I bringing because of easy way you have to keep in your mind, because of easy method I'm trying. Understand? If you take any challenges, for example, in biomedical services, it's a challengeable field. But when you take it positive way, when you keep ambitions and when you keep efforts in the right way, definitely you will become a master. Today, how I can say, because of I practiced all things and I got all things and I have awarded all things, I appreciated all things. So that's why today one of the opportunity I got it to reach the top level category, that is state regional manager. Okay. So whatever you have ambition, that is depend on your life. Now here, for every biomedical engineering purpose, these are the very important things. Okay, for every biomedical, whoever working as a biomedical engineering, so definitely if you are having 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience means you should be capable to check the technical things. That is the basic things, because of to diagnose the issues, to replace the components, to check the components, to find out the issues of whatever problems in medical equipment. Okay, that is the basic things. That's why today I'm providing you all. Okay. Yes, come on. Now see here, PCB purpose is, I have given the complete definition. This definition simple point you have to keep in mind. Okay, don't by heart and don't practice all the simply practical thing you think, then definitely automatically these are the points it is going to helpful in your work area. Okay. Today I'm giving all instructions means practical engineers purpose I'm giving here, because of from college life to job life, professional life. I want to create the one career path that is bridge. So that is only possible by the senior engineers. So that's why I am one of the senior engineer in the competitive society. So that's why every point I'm going to share you, and my live sessions definitely it is going to help you, right? Let's come to the point right now. Now let me say, and now see here second point. What is PCB? I have given the definition and applications here. In PCB, see, in PCB application, I'm giving only for small points, but PCB level, every electronic components, not only medical equipment, every electronic component, definitely PCB will be there. Okay. So if you know these all things, so not only for biomedical engineer, if you are a technical perfect and you can do any things and you can get many opportunities. Okay. Right. Basic things are very common. And see here, let me say what are the things. See here, mostly common: mobile phones and TVR monitor and medical devices and industrial control and automotive ECU. See, aerospace and everything's here. Applications: consumer electronics and medical equipment and industrial automation and automotive electronics and communication devices and aerospace and defense. See, here I'm giving only few points. But electronic means completely now we are living in the completed updated technology. Wherever have technology, there definitely electronics will be there. Okay, their PCB electronics will be there means their PCB will be there, because of electronic components placed on the PCB boards. Okay, right. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. Now third point, come to the point right now. See here, precautions. See, these are the senior biomedical career guidance and instructions I'm giving here. And listen to carefully. And the precautions of PCB track procedure. See here. Complete PCB track procedure. What are the precautions? Safety precautions are very important, and prevention is better than cure. We know very well. Yes. So after you fail the problem, then what is the use of that if you know this? Okay. So today I'm giving instructions means think before you act. That is very important. That's why I'm saying prevention is better than cure. So before you are facing the job, then if you know very well, then you can perform well. So that is only I'm trying to give you all upcoming biomedical engineers. Listen to carefully. And now come to the point right now, my dear engineers. And third point, see here, precautions of PCB track procedure. I'm going to say, see, in this way, I'm giving explanation means so this type of explanation, this type of awareness, this type of career guidance, very, very important to all biomedical engineers. Why today I fix it like this? Because of when I was a junior, senior, so I need this type of experience, this type of points from the seniors, but somewhere I've got it, but still I'm thinking. That's why today I want to give the information which is important to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right? Come on. Now precautions of PCB track procedure. See here. Use ESD protection, wrist strap mat. Okay, so these are the symbols here. ESD protection. Whenever you see this symbol, don't ignore it, and you have to understand the what is the main function of it. Okay. Next here, do not scratch or damage the copper track. These are the very, very important because of see minute, very minute things also it is going to create the big issues and create the big problems. Understand? But intensely you are not doing, but unfortunately problems will happen. That's why don't do anything whenever whenever you are present in front of the PCB. Okay. Next, see here, use proper tools for tracking and follow the circuit diagram carefully. And see, you are a junior biomedical, then you may not have an idea, so then you should follow the instructions to the senior biomedical engineer. Okay, so today you are a junior, tomorrow you will become a senior, and whenever you become a senior, then you should be capable these things. You should give the instructions to your upcoming biomedical engineers. It is a cycling, right? Yes. Now see here, ensure power is off and during testing, and avoid applying excessive heat, and use magnification at tiny tracks, and verify continuity after repair. Okay. Why I am giving these all precautions? Can you get it? Because of see, nowadays what happened in biomedical engineering services, everybody biomedical engineers are busy, but at the same time while doing your duty you have to focus on your work. By doing your duty you have to improve your skills. By doing the work then only will get it. Okay, for your instruction purpose this type of instructions may not available in the social media. That's why today I am giving these all informations to awareness. Okay, right, come on. Now these are the precautions, and try to keep in your mind and try to note down these all things, because of these are the things you may not get it anywhere. Yes, I hope you got it. Next, come to the point. See here, fifth point. Every point to point, I'm going to read out and I'm going to involve, I'm going to explain, and everything it is going to touch your mind, right? Yes, come on. Now, biomedical engineers, now what we are discussing till now, PCB trace procedure purpose. Okay, step to step we are going. Here, PCB, how basic PCB purpose, complete guide I'm going to give you in this live sessions. Okay. Now, which base track the components? This is the very, very important. See, this much questions what I am raising here, what I am explaining here. Those questions you should be capable to raise in your mind. Okay. If you not create the doubts, if you not have doubt, then you will not increase your skill. Understand? Whenever you start the thinking about the activity, whenever you keep ambition on your work, and whenever you get dedication on your work, then definitely these are the things it will come in your mind. Understand? So whoever interested, for those persons, definitely this live session series is very, very helpful in your life, right? I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Yes, come on. Next, which base track the component I'm going to say? Let me say, please keep it was my channel right now. And let me finish right now. And now, which base track the components? So, which base? Biomedical engineers. These are the, please listen to carefully. And components are based on copper tracks. See here, I have attached the picture also see here. So, component how look like and what are the, see here, PCB in how many layers are see here? Bottom layer signal, inner layer power, inner layer see a ground, and top layer signal. See, these are the this much layers. Okay, to prepare the PCB purpose, these are the very, very important. Okay, the components are based on copper tracks, and tracks connect pads, vias, and components. Okay, and two layers here for component and short signals, and bottom layer for connections and power lines. And see here, inner layers for complex routing and ground planes. Okay, so when you see this picture, you have to understand. See, this is the PCB. How form inside of this PCB? What are the things are there? And sometimes short circuit happen. And why happen? Because of see, when you see these some PCBs, when you see directly, then you may not find out. Understand? So say PCB is nice, it's working. who is non-technical person, he is saying like that. But who is technical person, pin to pin point what I'm giving here instructions, and those things you have to keep in your mind, and those things you have to practice, and you have to be a perfect. Okay, today how much difficult to give the presentation and how much give the do the repair also, that is more challenges, because of everything electrical passes, and from everywhere components are having electrical points are there. That's why everything you should to take precautions, and you should protect yourself. At the same time, you should protect the devices, and you should protect the customer also. Okay, right, which base to track the components, I hope you got it here clearly right now. Yes, let me go fifth point. See here, to be perfect in this task, how much time taken, and listen to carefully. This is very, very important. If you want to become a technical specialist, okay. So if you want to become a PCB trace procedure purpose, PCB level, if you want to become in your life, for that purpose, how much time taken? Let me say, and just keep watch my presentation. You can get it, okay. To be perfect in this task, how much time taken? For a beginner, 3 to 6 months basic level, and for intermediate 6 to 12 months good level, and for expert level 1 to 2 years with practice. Okay, see, I'm saying 3 to 6 months, sir. 3 to 6 months completed, sir, but still I'm not perfect, sir. If you think like that, that is your mistake. Understand? So here is the normal timing for, see, for a beginner purpose, 3 to 6 months. Basic level means if you follow the instructions, if you dedicated all things, and daily practice and daily complaints attend, and you have to focus the technical things, then only you will get it, and you will success in this time period. Okay, dedication, consistency, regular work, and proper interest and practice, and communicate with seniors, then only chances are there to know the and to be perfect in masters. Okay, so these are the motivation, inspiration, and informations, and real-time hospital experience I'm going to show you, and do like this, and definitely will get it. Okay, and now see here, and master depends on, see here, practice, experience in different boards, and knowledge of circuits and components. Okay, see, whenever I'm saying here these all things, just to catch the point what I'm saying. Okay, just catch the point what I'm saying, Ganesh sir, what he's saying. Okay, then catch the point, and you have to focus and what you are interested. Then keep ambition. Okay, just keep ambition. Yes, I want to become a like a technical specialist. For that purpose, what are the source requirement? So then, if you see daily, very, very interested, today I will do that, tomorrow I will not do, I cannot. Don't think like that. Then you will even 5 years, not 10 years also, you will not become a master. Okay, so that's why these are the time period. If you dedicated clearly, if you are interested clearly, if you practice clearly, then these are the time period I'm giving here, and you have to focus. Definitely you will catch, and you will get a success. And everything today, why I'm capable, because of these all things I got it in my life. That's why today I'm very happy, and I'm very excited, and I'm very proud to you say all things. Okay, right, upcoming biomedical engineer, listen to carefully, take it positive, and positive way I'm giving information, all things. Now come to the sixth point. See here. See, whatever I'm giving here information, so these are the very demand, recommend, and mandatory to all biomedical engineers. Understand? So biomedical engineer means what? That capabilities, what? Diagnose the issues, and tracing the technical part, and find out the issues and resolve the issues, and be a skilled, okay, be a skilled and problem solver engineer. For that purpose, these are the things important what I'm going to say, and take it serious and focus on it, and definitely you will catch on 5 points. Okay, right, come on, let me continue right now. Listen to carefully, and whoever newcomers, please subscribe now. Right, now come here, PCB trace procedure in this topic. See here, sixth point I'm going to say, why need to track PCB, what results you get. These are the very, very important. See, as a biomedical engineer, if I do this, what will happen? Okay, if I trace this topic, what I will get, what can I find out? So that is the diagnosis process. Okay, so these are things deeply nobody explain you, because of these are the secret of success. Understand? Very rare opportunity, very rare people are explaining in this way, and that is the reason for society purpose. Complete live session is very, very important. That's why today I make a notes, and I give the presentations based on my experiences. Okay, right. Now come here, come to the point right now. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here, and see here, why need to track. See here, PCB, what results you will get it. Okay, And let me say, see, questions I'm giving and answers also I'm giving, and everything I'm giving means if you are zero also, no need to worry. You have to focus. If you have an ambition, for your ambition purpose, definitely I will be there to support you to provide the information. Okay, right? Come on, my dear engineers and students, listen to carefully. Now, why need to track PCB? What results do you get? I will tell you. Listen to carefully. See here. Find open circuit or broken tracks, okay, and locate short circuit paths and identify faulty components and ensure signal and voltage path and helps in we need to track okay, why need to track means these are the points. For this purpose we need to track the PCB, okay. And now see here results, what we'll get. See here, faulty section identified and accurate repair and cost saving, time saving, and equipment life increase and reliability improves, okay. These are the things as a biomedical engineer you have to focus all things. That's why today I'm giving all informations. I hope you got it clearly right now. Yes. See, today if I share all things also, you have to, whenever you practice a lot and whenever you do the practically work, then only you will become a successful technical master in biomedical equipments. Okay. Everything is possible. The time taken and dedication is very, very important. Then only you will catch all things. Okay. Right. Come on. Next, sixth point I have completed right now. I hope you got it right now. Whatever till now I have explained here. Now let me go. Seventh point I'm going to show you. See here. Very pinpoints, every valid points I'm going to say in this live sessions. Only topic basis and content basis only daily I'm coming and I'm providing. And see, selfless. I'm not expecting anyone. I'm expecting only every engineer should have skill and should be capable to check all things and should do perform your duty with your hands. Okay, every engineer, because of I have hundreds of engineers in my team state level, so every engineer should give the 100%, that much capability everyone should have. So that is the reason today I'm giving all informations, right? And whoever working in biomedical, everyone, more lakhs of people can watch my sessions because of now 12 lakhs views reaching my channel. So that is my confidence. Okay, right? Come on, now come to the point right now. Now how tracking system formed, see here. I want to tell you, I want to show you and very clear way. Okay. Right. See here in this presentation, how tracking system in format, see here. So these are the deeply informations. When you go to the technical way, see, these are the things, if you go anywhere, nobody cannot explain. Understand? That's why today, that's why whenever I'm giving informations, explanation, those are the things that try to take it serious because of life is important and whatever you want to become, definitely you should get it. You should focus. Okay. Right. Come on. Now let me say, now come see here. Here, what are the things here? See here, how tracking system basis formats here, schematic diagram, and PCB layout design, and etching of tracks backside. See here, and drilling holes. See here, and final PCB ready, and silk screen printing, and solder mask application, and plating copper coating. See, these are the PCB how formed here, very clearly information given. Okay, for your deep information purpose, for your knowledge purpose, because of see these all things if you know, then you can find out easily and you can protect yourself and you will be very safety from the electrical issues. Sometimes what happen, so many engineers, sir, if I touch the board then it will get shock, sir. So as a technical biomedical engineer, why you think like that? So if you know the protocol, if you know the basics, sir, so then definitely you will be okay skilled engineer. Yes. So these are the how farmers see here. First of all, see this here and very clearly observe. Then definitely will get it. Okay. So today I'm giving presentation. We see here. Today I achieved all things and so many things I have crossed over all things and today I top level category and upcoming days I have aim in my life and definitely after 2-3 years I will change my designations. I will get great positions better than now, right? And see today what I'm facing today, what I'm getting everything that, like every engineer should have a good life in your career, right? Yes. Now come here. See whatever here showing the presentation. See here. Please, first of all, 1 minute observe and how tracking system formed because of this is the very very important and these are the things very very helpful in your interview time. Okay. Interview time. These are the basics important and these are the points at one situation it is going very very important in your life, right? And if you want to survive long term in biomedical services, then these are the things important you have to practice. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, yes. And first of all, see this here, how tracking system formed. So here, see whatever I am giving the present. See here, pictures everything, every step to step. What are the things important to make the PCB? So these are the things simple. If you look the PCB board, then simply looking it is a very simple. But these are the tracking system involved in this PCB. Okay. If any PCB means see power supply board also there PCB and control board also there MC board. So all types of boards are there. Whatever available inside of the equipment. Okay. So for your deep understanding purpose, today I am showing here. So how tracking system formed. Okay. See this here first of all. Today our topic what PCB trace procedure purpose every pin to pin points secret points I'm giving here is going to helpful in your service area. These are the topics today I'm giving means many students are not have opportunity in their circle. They are very interested. So that's why if I provided this live sessions, definitely many people can watch my sessions and get the instructions. Okay, right? Okay, next 7 point complete. Now come to the 8th point. See here. PCB how prepared and what material used. See. Electronic PCB printed circuit board how prepared because of normal cardboard is not there. Okay, normal things are not there. What are the things materials? These are the things as a biomedical engineer how prepared and these things you have to keep in your mind and you have to know these all things. Okay, required and necessary points only I'm going to share in this live sessions, and definitely complete end of the session you will get a clarifications about the PCB trace procedures. And now see here, PCB how prepared, what material used, I'm going to say and listen to carefully and watch my session. You will get a more informations. Okay. In my live sessions, multiple way you will get informations. I'm explaining, I'm talking. Okay, I'm sharing experiences at the same time. Very valid points, pin to pin points. I'm going to share here. That's why reason I make a notes in this way. I want to make you understand for everyone. Okay. Right, come on. Next, PCB, how prepared and what material used. See, listen to carefully. Base material substrate, FR4, most common. And see here, other materials, Chem1 and Chem3, aluminum, polyamide. And see here, steps here. First of all, see this picture, first of all. How look like, see here. PCB levels, top copper layer, and next prepreg and FR4 core. See here, aromos also available, and bottom copper layer and solder mask and silk screen. Okay, so these are the points preparing purpose materials used. See here, and stepwise if I show you what are the materials you come to know, and whoever newcomers, and please subscribe now and share with your friends, like my channel. And see here, now I'm going to say steps. What are the steps of PCB? How prepared? What materials used? I'm going to say and listen to carefully. Number one, see here, copper clad laminate sheet used, and photoresist coating, and exposure and development, and etching unwanted copper, and drilling holes, copper plating, and solder mask coating, and silk screen printing. Okay, these are the materials used to prepare the PCB. Okay, for your knowledge purpose, these are the informations very important. Okay, because of basic information, if you know things, so if you practice, then automatically you will become a perfect. I hope you got it my points what I'm saying here. Yes. Now eighth point completed. See here. See every point I'm going to give you because of this is going to record in my live sessions. And see, I'm continuing. I'm giving the instructions and I will let me finish all things. And if you want to know, if you want to engage, and multiple times, so go to my channel and check it. It is available in playlist, and multiple times you can watch it and you will practice. Okay. Because of single day not possible, single movement not possible, and daily practice is very important. Consistency is very important. Okay. Now come here. Now ninth point I am going to share with you all. Till now, how prepared the PCB? I given the instructions, and now come here. How placed the components on the PCB? Okay, these are the things very important to see. These are the very competitive points are there, right? Yes, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully, and whoever newcomer, subscribe now. And now come to the point right now. Ninth point: how placed the components? Here, component also, for example, sample purpose I am showing here. See. Okay. Next, see here. Component placed on pads through hole or SMD pads. Okay. And soldering methods through hole soldering surface mount technology SMT. Okay. And see here, components fixed mechanically and electrically. Next, placement follows PCB design and polarity marks. Actually, every component placed on PCB, those are the by using the technical way by machinery only. Many things placing on components on the PCB because of some lacks of components are there, some lacks of PCBs are there, some lacks of equipments are there. So because of now we are living the competitive society, so we have a technical things. So that's why everyone should have awareness about this topic. Okay. Right. I hope you got it. How places the components here? Here, see only two components I have shown you, but so many components are there for electronic components purpose. I have provided the live session 2 hours. Their complete electronic purpose, I have given the complete encyclopedia. Okay. Now, ninth point I completed. I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me finish right now. Next, 10th point I want to show you. See, these are the points when we are doing work. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, if you are doing work, then only you will get a doubts. This type of problems. So when you are thinking, when you want to become a specialist, then this type of doubts coming. Then you need to get the resources from your seniors. Okay, so these are the proper tracking I'm going to say, and it is going to helpful in your service area. Now come to the point right now, 10th point. See here, precipit tracer. See here, it's a good conductor or not? It's a question. Okay. So copper track is a good conductor of electricity, and property of copper track. See here, because of copper, why? That's why preparing the PCB time, then this copper is using. That is the reason. That question. So copper is good conductor or not? And many engineers will not have a idea. Then these are the things you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Next, properties of copper track. I want to say, listen to carefully. And high conductivity, low resistance, and good thermal conductivity helps in efficient current flow. Okay, because of that's why copper is mostly used in a electronic area because of this is the very good conductivity. Understand? So if you check any medical equipment, definitely copper material will be there. So in every PCB also copper material is there. Okay. So then layer wise available. Then when you open these all things, when you find out all things, then it is find out copper. Okay. So that is the what is the importance here. It's a good conductor. You have to know as your biomedical engineers. Okay. I hope you got it clear right now. So copper is a different ways. And see if you observe the electronic component. That's why I'm saying. Every time I'm giving key by biomedical engineering medical equipments, all equipments, ICUs, OT, laboratory, okay, then next laboratory. So whatever departments available in medical sector, those all medical equipments, definitely electrical, electronic basis only with engineer principle manufacture the equipments in the different companies. Right. So here I try to give you basic information which is important to every biomedical engineer. As a biomedical, what skills are important? Why demand in the society? So which work based? So those work point only basic point I'm giving here. Okay. So if you not understand, nothing to worry and try to watch it multiple times. Definitely you will catch my points. Today I'm capable means what? Many times I practiced and many times I've attended and lot of times 18 years of experiences I achieved in my life. Today I'm capable and give the instructions. My life definitely is going to inspire you all in your life, right? Right. Now come here. Now 11th point, see here I want to say, so these are the what are the points I'm going to say. These are the very very important. It is going to create the challenges in your life. Now PCB safety precautions, see here 11th point, safety precautions very very important. See, is it clear visible right now? And whoever watched my sessions, subscribe now and share with your friends. And see, after completion of this live session, I will make a 30 questions, and I will upload in my community post in YouTube channel and try to give the answers. Okay, every question to answer, that is going to create the biggest career opportunity in your life, right? And now see here, PCB safety precautions here, always power off before inspection or repair, and use ESD protection, and do not touch with wet hands, and avoid shorting with metal tools, and use insulated tools, and wear safety glasses while drilling, and check our high voltages areas. Okay, these are the very very important. Whenever you are going to repair the equipment, whenever you touch the equipment, then whenever you try to open the equipment, then if you want to check the components whatever available on the place on PCBs, then definitely you should check it all things and power switch off, and then you have to check by using the multimeter continuity everything or not, power is not, because of some electrical storage components also available inside of the equipment. Okay, so that's why precautions are very very important, and these are the things you should follow the, okay, as a biomedical engineers. I hope you got it. Well, 11th point I have given you, because of these are the things very very important to challenges. Now come here, my dear engineers, and PCB trace, see here procedures purpose, tracing purpose, material, see here silver. See here, first of all copper is there. Okay, so first of all these are the copper already label. So copper is what? Good conductivity. That's why in PCB every tracking purpose copper is using. So when you find out copper, because of when silver removing, then it copper is coming. Okay, that's why tracking is very very important. If track is gone, then tracking is, it's very complicated. Okay, so that's why when you get the complaint, when you check the issues components, then replacing time, find out time, and removing the defective things, then you have to be very careful. Understand, little mistake also it is going to create the biggest problem. It is causes to the damages. Okay, here what I'm giving here in instructions, everything for positive purpose, and be a skilled engineer and try to get it point what I'm saying here. Okay, right, come on my dear engineers. And see here, tracking purpose material silver. See here in PCB what are the metals? See here, silver conductive link or paint used for tracking. See here, properties here, high conductivity, good adhesion, and corrosion resistant, and low resistance here. Okay, that is the C. If you check any PCB, their silver is confirmed. Okay, for good conductivity, and that quality also I have given here. See, so pin to pin you have to be interest. Okay, these are things, because of see, if you are a unique person, then only will become a success and you will become a specialist. Okay, my friend is enjoying, so I am also to enjoy. So then never you become a success. And today I means see, we should enjoy, we should happy with what we are doing our work, which is important, which is ambitious. Okay. Now I hope you got it very clear. 12 point. Right. Now come on, come on. And now see at 13th point, see here every question. So see, if you practice, if you want to become a perfect, then every point is a very very challengeable point, and what are the things it will be there. I'm going to explain all things. Okay. Now see here, if track damaged, what will happen? In PCB, sometimes for damage, what will happen? What will causes? So what component will get damages? So those things as a biomedical engineer, you should be awareness. Okay. Right. Come on. Now let me say, see, my dear engineers and whoever engaged, please subscribe now and keep watching my sessions right now. And if track damage, see here, what will happen? In this picture, I'm going to show you here, see, what is damage here? You can find out. And no current flow, open circuit. If damage, what will happen? See here. If track damaged, what will happen? Number one point is no current flow, open circuit, and device not working properly, and overheating in other areas, and component may burn, and system failure, and complete board failure in service cases. Okay, these are the track system. Why important? because of in track system only, it's a communication one part to one part, one pin to pin. Okay, so that is the important. So whenever, see, if you're a biomedical engineer, sir, technically I'm not have idea, sir, that simply you escalate the senior. So how many days you escalate to the senior? You should become like that. Okay, so that's why every instructions, if you follow, everything is possible. Whenever you keep efforts in a possible way, you will get it. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly what I was saying here. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. Now 13 points, see here, I have explained. I hope you got it. Now let me go. See here, 14th point, pin to pin tracking, easy explanation way. See here, these are the important points and challenging points and very very, okay, demand points also. And whenever you face this problem, then only you come to know. Yes, if you want to survive a long time in biomedical services, then these are the points important to become a biomedical engineering specialist. Okay, if, many people are become a biomedical engineer, but technical specialist purpose, so many efforts are very very important, and these are the things important, and what resources important to get it. The for that purpose, would I provide the live sessions? Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Yes, now 14 points here. Pin to pin tracking, easy explanation. I'm going to show you in this presentation. See here how pictures are attached here. So for your understanding purpose, for your easy to understanding purpose, I'm giving these notes. Notes are very very important. And see whatever I'm saying here and try to focus and try to listen. And if I share the PPTs also, you may not understand. If I'm explaining, then you can understand, and it is very very helpful to do your work. Okay, right? Come on, my dear engineers. And pin to pin tracking, I'm going to say step wise. And first of all, see this picture, pin A to pin B. See here example. Okay, this beep continuity good means if you use your multimeter. Okay, so by using your multimeter, both terminals are there, positive and negative terminals. So using this for one to top one connection to one connection, if you keep them, then you will keep the continuity. Okay, so that is good or bad, you can find out. Then beep sound will come, then automatically you can find out. Okay, right. Now see here, if not no beep means open circuit means it here something is problem, the tracking is issue, then you have to find out and you have to resolve the issues. Okay, everything how to do as a biomedical engineers, those are the instructions what I'm sharing here. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, now come here, let me explain. See here as the picture basis. Number one, set multimeter in continuity mode. This is the, see here, I hope you got it. And place one probe one pin A, and place another probe one pin B. See here, you take the multimeter and two terminals, positive terminal here, negative terminal here. Then you have to keep the continuity mode. Okay, by using the operations. Okay, so then you can find out these other things. Because of these other things, very very important. Yeah, you can find out these all tracking system in PCB only by using the multimeter. You can find out. Okay, not only by seeing the component AC, because of the those are the minute areas and we have to check it very deeply. Then only sometimes what happened directly we can see, we can find out when why some burning is there and damages are there automatically visible. Which is visible we can find out easily, which is not visible, those things we have to track by using the multimeter, and we have to check it. Okay, sometimes what happen, if visible also, we have to track the system and we have to track the all things by using the multimeter. Okay, multimeter purpose, how to use all things complete 1 to 2 hours. I have provided the proper notes, and whoever new persons and whoever not have an idea, definitely this live session is going to help in your life, right? Yes, come on. And see here, third point, place another probe on pin B. And if beep sound path is okay, if no sound track is open or faulty. Okay, these are the very very important as a biomedical engineers. Here I want to say, every biomedical engineer, sir, it's not my work. I'm not a specialist. Like if you escape one day, and tomorrow you may not have future. Understand? So that's why if you want to do, okay, not only to do job for a get a salary. Okay, you should be passion and you should do something and you should be a skillful, then only your value is increased in the society. You will get a opportunity, right? Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here, my dear students and engineers. And now come here, 15th point, say now we are discussing in this topic what PCB trace procedures purpose, pin to pin point I'm giving. Okay, step one, step two wise of everything, pin to pin information I'm going to give you, which is clarity about your life, right? Yes, come on. Now come to the point right now. Everything pin to pin details I'm going to show you. See here. These are related PCB board only. In PCB board, what are the components are there? What are the tracking is there? One, how to pin points here with zoom purpose. See here, very clearly visible purpose. See, these are the copper and silver. So see, these are the things internally you have to understand whenever you see this picture. Now see a track start point pin A. See here, and a track path via layer pad. See here. So track pin A to pin B. See here. This is the track. So yeah, well, you have to check it and you have to find out and that much capabilities you should have for that purpose before you touch this equipment purpose. You have to read the manual. Okay, circuit manuals will be there, and based on that you have to find out. Okay, so these are things I'm giving means these are the time taken and challengeable task to every biomedical engineers. Understand? I hope you got it very clearly about what I'm saying here. Yes, yeah. Now see here, tracking path via layer path and track endpoint pin B and track width thickness and material copper and coating solder mask and testing continuity and result circuit working. Okay. See, these are all things when equipment if you're checking. So sometimes what happen, troubles by doing troubleshootings and operating settings and we can resolve. Sometimes we can replace the spare part also resolve. But after you did all things, still equipment is not working, then you have to go to the internal parts, that is electronic parts. Understand? For example, patient monitor. Okay. So patient monitor, we have a see here. First of all, we take a patient monitor. So patient monitor, multi-parameter monitor. The display will be there. Okay. Next, modules will be there. ECG and SpO2. What are the parameters are that depend on equipment? Okay. Now, and when inside motherboard will be there. MC. Okay. Motherboard, control board, and power supply board, and different functions purpose. Different boards are there. So then, based on your complaint, for example, that monitor not getting on. Okay. So then, simply outside, if replace the power cord also. Okay, fine. But still not resolved. Then you have to check the fuse. That is also fine. Next, you have to go to the board. That board is what? What happened? So board is actually 12 voltage output needed, but 12 voltage not receiving, not provide the results. Understand? When we provide the input load to the like board, then what happened? That is taking but not releasing required voltages. That is the reason where tracking is issue. Okay. So tracking is a checking that is very, very complicated and very difficult. Those are the next level. So for that purpose, try to catch it all things, and these are the things you have to keep in your mind, and it is very, very going to help in your life, right? Yes. Come on. Now see here, these are the quoted. See here, very color wise basis, everything pin to pin point I'm showing here. I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. And take it serious. Okay. Sir, simply I want to become a technical specialist, sir. I'm very interested, sir. If you say like this, no use. So these are all things if you follow, definitely nobody stop you. Understand? In biomedical engineering, nobody stop you because of depend on your capability, depend on your interest. You can improve yourself and you can grow your career with proper steps. So those steps I'm giving here in my live sessions, and try to focus and subscribe now. Okay. Now come to the point right now. Let me finish right now. So these are the points, 15 points I have explained here. I hope you got it very clear right now. See here. So valid points only I'm going to share here. See. So these are the important points. If you are experienced also, these are the points you may not get in your work area. Okay. So that's why these are the points. Listen to carefully. And now in this presentation, second side presentation, see here, PCB track complete guide purpose. So multiple informations which is important to PCB purpose, electronic purpose. These are the things I have explained. I hope you got it very clear right now. And whatever I have said here, everything is very, very important point, and keep watch it right now, and definitely very, very helpful. Okay. After engaged my live sessions, after you watched my live sessions, end of this moment, if you not any understand, okay, then give me comment in my YouTube channel. Definitely I will be there to support you to provide the informations. Okay. Because of my intention is every engineer should have a ambition and should have a capable things and should do get a good promotions and you should be a capable. Okay, that is my intention. And everything I'm doing my duty. Yes, as a state regional manager, top level category, I'm leading my duty. I'm taking responsibility sincerely, and from 9 to 6 o'clock, I'm doing my duty. Okay, so see, now here every day I'm giving means to get a success in your life, and everything for your job purpose only I'm giving. Okay, right? Come on. I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes. So PCB track complete. Next slide we will go, and this is going to final. Now these are the topics why I selected here, because of see, complete today information is PCB trace procedure purpose. Every step is important, and if whatever the required things, those things I'm going to show you in this presentation. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly right now, my dear engineers, and take it serious and try to take it, make it positive in way. I hope you are getting my voice. Is it clear? Right? My dear engineers and students, be proud yourself, and because of today we are the biomedical engineers, and we are serving the peoples in different designations. Now come here. Yes. So PCB lab, what PCB procedure trace procedure I have shown you. Next, how PCB or what is PCB applications, and see point wise I have given you. Now PCB cleaner. Okay. Now PCB cleaner, printed circuit board cleaner, and regard that one. I'm going to give you explanation. Listen carefully, and after this, live session is going to finish. Okay. And these are the points I'm going to show you, because of for this purpose also many engineers are having doubt. For doubt purpose, clearance purpose, I want to give the information very clearly. Right. Okay. Now in this presentation, see here, only complete live session today, PCB cleaner and clean it board and reliable circuit long life. These are the very, very important, because of see, our services should be reliable. Okay. So when you are, so if you are provide the services 100 times, no use. If you provide a service one time, success clearly, then it is going to, okay, use the 1 year, 2 years also, sometimes happen, sometimes 5 years also. So that's why proper handling, proper repairing, proper observing, proper find downing, proper diagnosing, proper replacing, everything is proper important. That's why today these all the information I'm going to give you instructions. So because of these are the responsibilities of the biomedical engineering services, that's why today I'm giving here. Okay. I hope you got it very clear right now. Now, first of all, see this picture, what I'm showing here, and what are the things it is going to practical way, and types of PCB cleaner, and what are the things are there, and what does cleaning, everything pin to pin point I'm going to show you. And if you engage, definitely you will get a great experiences. Engage my live sessions. Okay, right? I hope you got it. First of all, keep watch right now what I'm showing here in this presentation. Is it clear my presentation? Is it clear my voice? Is it audible? Is it visible my presentation? Yes. Now come here. Now PCB cleaner see here, PCB purpose see here. Everything pin to pin I'm going to show you, then you can understand, because of see, I cannot bring it at PCB, and I will not show you. But here for sample purpose I'm showing you for your understanding purpose, and how, what to do, what not to do, do's and don't do's, everything I'm going to explain here. And let me go clearly. In this here, PCB cleaner, clean board and reliable circuit long life. And now here, come here, I want to show you very zoom clearly. What is a PCB cleaner here? See, these are the things why I'm giving the deep into pin informations, and whoever newcomers, whoever new engineers, whoever students, whoever having experience, but they may not have idea about the technical part, for that person purpose, definitely these all informations very, very back support in your life. Now come to the point right now, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. And a PCB cleaner is a chemical used to remove dust, flux, residue, oil, grease, dirt, and other contaminations from printed circuit boards. Okay, and to maintain performance reliability. Sometimes what happen, dusty, these all things if formed, then circuit will not working. Understand? That's why cleaning process is very, very important. And cleaning process, 90% problems we can resolve the issues. Okay. Sometimes equipment not working means that type of complete heating. Why heating? Because of somewhere tracking will be get down. Okay, tracking will damage. Then what happen? communication will disrupt, and at the same time getting heat. So that's why every point I'm giving is every point is very very useful at what situations in your work area, right? Now PCB cleaner, I hope you got it. Next, what does PCB cleaner, see here, PCB, see here how look like, see here PCB cleaner like this. And now come here, PCB, what does PCB cleaner remove? So PCB cleaner, what will do? These are the things important. Okay, let's see it clearly. PCB cleaner means you're not taking soap and not cleaning. Okay, this is another technical way we have to check it all things. And to cleaning purpose, what are the things important? I'm going to show you. And first of all, what are the things remove from the PCB? Those things I'm showing here. See here, how look like picture basis. I'm giving here. See every pictures. It is very very important to understand the concept. I hope you got it very clear right now what I'm saying here. Try to take it serious because of life is very very important. This is professional topics, technical topics, challengeable topics. Understand? Now what does PCB cleaner remove? See here, flux residues here how look like, and dust or dirt residues here. These all things when will happen? Preventive maintenance is very very important. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. Preventive maintenance is very, very important. If you not do the preventive maintenance, if you not do the calibrations, if you not do the services properly, then these are the problems come. Okay. So these are the problems when come, when you find out equipment is completely not working, then only you can find out. Otherwise, little if we resolve the issues, it is working fine, then you are not touching inside of the equipment. Yes, because the mostly engineers are fear. So that's why if you follow the instructions, then no need to fear. As a technical, as a skilled engineer, what are the things are there and what are the functions are there and what are the components are there and why functioning are there, why placing on there. If you know these all things, then definitely you will become a skilled engineer. You can possible to repair the all things. Yes. So whatever I'm giving instructions, definitely try to take it positive what I'm saying here. Okay. Right. Come on. So this much patience I'm giving means ultimately I'm expecting more engineers engaging and get awareness. I hope so many engineers are reaching because of every time observing. That's why every engineer are asking, sir, I watched your session, sir. Sir, I watched your live session, sir. And so many social media also they are giving comments. Very happy. Okay, right. Come to the point right now. See it clear. Different situations. See here. What does PCB clean remove? What things are there? See here. Dust. See here. Flux residue and dust or dirt and oil or grease and fingerprints and moisture and corrosion. So for this purpose, what things important? Proper fan is important, proper filter is important. These are the things required component purpose. These are the very very important and many chances to reduce the issues. Okay, right. So for example, if you got a complaint, so then yeah, then PCP how to clean. These are the things. These are the pharmacies formed in these areas. Okay, I hope you got it clearly. See this picture, then you can understand because of I'm keeping and I'm not going fast. Then if you observe very clearly, then definitely you will get a great skills required for biomedical engineer things. So these are the basic informations. When you communicate with your senior, definitely that senior will explain you these all things because of every maximum seniors they have this type of experiences as a biomedical engineers. Understand? Right. If not have miss, then keep watch my sessions. You will get it through my sessions. Okay. First clear. First clearly see it. What does PCB cleaner remove? See here. Very clearly see it because of I don't change this slide. See in this way, I will explain all topics different way. Okay. Daily live session is confirmed. 7 to 11 o'clock in between at any situation available time I will come and I will start the live sessions and you have to check it and you have to follow the live sessions. Okay, it is a big platform. It is going to create the big platform and very very excellent the good response also I'm receiving from the public. That is the reason today I'm giving here. I hope you are observing my presentation. What does PCB cleaner see here? At what situations I'm keeping here? 5 minutes I will keep because of for your understanding purpose. See, my YouTube channel, complete biomedical engineering purpose, all kinds of topics available, and all kinds of topics I'm going to explain and I'm going to do the presentations. It is going to record in my live sessions. That's why continuously I'm giving because of everything is going to record and pin to pin, whoever interested, and pin to pin information is very, very important. That's why I'm coming in this way. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. Yes, what does PCB cleaner remove? I hope you got it. So in these situations, you have to be clarity. Okay. Now let me go next topic, next point. Sorry. Next types of PCB cleaner. See here. These are the things important. See, if you want to start the workshop biomedical engineering, for that time these are the important. As a biomedical engineer, if you are working in hospitals and companies and industries, wherever if you go, you should provide the services. For services purpose, these are the information is very, very important. These are the universal information. If you go another country, if you go another state, if you go another hospital, wherever you are go there, then these are the common things. Okay. Now see it here, types of PCB cleaner. I'm going to show you. These are the very, very important things. I'm going to give the recommendations. Now I'm going to read out now. See here, types of PCB cleaner. First one, IPA, isopropyl alcohol, 90 to 99%. Okay. And next, second one is contact cleaner, electrical. And three, see here, dedicated PCB or flux cleaner. So these are the things. So multiple topics, multiple cleaner, multiple task. Okay. In PCB, there to form the PCB purpose, what are the things important for those materials purpose? These are the chemical things. So very, very important to PCB cleaner. Okay. Because of these are the basic informations you have to keep in your mind whenever you go to the face the interview time. These are the important points. PCB cleaner, what are the points are there? PCB cleaner points, then they will ask you, then you have to give the answer. Okay, right, come on, see this picture. First to see pictures here. IPA, isopropyl alcohol, 90 to 99%. See here. And most commonly used for electronics cleaning, fast evaporating, leaves no residue. Okay, every cleaner having a specific unique character. Okay, every characteristics are significant and symptoms are there. See here. So every cleaner is going to create the individual functions. Now see here, contact cleaners here for electrical contacts and connections and switches and potentiometers, and removes dirt and oxide light oil. Okay. And next come here, see here third, dedicated PCB or flux cleaner and designed to remove flux residues and safe for PCB and components available in liquid or spray. Okay. So these are the things. So why I'm going to show you, because of PCB boards are very sensitive area and very critical area. So that's why we should handle very clearly, very decently, very dignity, and very properly technical, skillfully. Okay, so that is the reason. These are the things. So if you going to apply these all cleaners, then no need to rub all things, and when you pour onto that area, then automatically it is clean. Okay, within fraction of seconds by using the brush we can clean that. See, when you go to practical way, then it is you are very interested, because a lot of times I practiced all things and I did all things. That's why today I am giving all information, sir. And see, Biomedical engineering is the excellent. When you know, when you go deeply, then only you can understand. After 18 years of experience in my life, today I got all things and I'm giving and I'm getting also excellent. And today I'm leading top level categories in biomedical services. Understand? I hope you got it very clear right now. So types of PCB. First, see here, because of for your understand, if it is possible, take a picture. Because of in your work area, these are the very very important. You have to get it. If you are a biomedical engineer, definitely these are the very very important and try to get it in your work area. And you can give the recommendation also. If you are working in a hospital and you have to ask to the hospital management, yes, we need this one. They will provide definitely, because of by using this we can protect the lakhs of money also. Understand? So for example, a PCB board we have to buy that depend on ventilator. So one ventilator, one PCB board you have to buy means nearly 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, that much happen. Okay. So depend on the equipment, it is going to price, but at least we have to save the price also. Okay. Cost is very very important. As a biomedical engineer, we have to provide the services by using the technical skills, by communicating all things, by diagnosis also. So for your diagnose the issues purpose, these are the things I'm giving you all. Okay. Right. If you perform well, if you give the best performance, automatically company, hospital will get profit, and when they will get profit, definitely you will get increment. Understand? Every minor problems are there, you can do it, but there you should be a sincerity and dedicate and consistency, patience. Then every problem has a solution. Then those problems you can find out and you can resolve. Okay. So that is the reason I'm going to say here. Okay. I hope you got it. Yes. Come on. So see here, types of PCB cleaners here. In this live session, see, complete pin to pin information I am not missing. Complete I am covering. Okay. And I'm adding experience means this type of complete, this much time nobody take about this explanation. Yes. So here my interest in what? Biomedical engineering, before 10 years and after 10 years, especially COVID-19 time, corona time, it's a very complicated and pandemic situations. There are many medical equipments are required and so many people are struggling. So that time many medical sectors like we are provide the services and dedicated, and so many people are achieving, and so many people will save the life. Yes. So that time critical situations, we know as a human being we should know those things, because of we have to protect our body as a human body. As a human we have to take care, because of we are qualified in that biomedical services. If you are doing your qualifications not only for certificate, okay, you should be practice, you should get the works, and you should useful in the society. That is problem solver and top level management. Ultimately biomedical engineer team what? To provide the instant services to the healthcare by using the technical skills. So how much we are sophisticated and technical way we are living in the competitive society as a globally, as a citizen of globally. Today, I'm giving all instructions and try to take it positive. Okay, right? Come on. So I hope you got it. What are the types of PCB cleaner? I hope you got it very clear right now. Let me go to the topic. One more topic is there, and so many things are there to discuss here. So point wise, I'm going to show you. See here, and tools and accessories are required. See here for the to cleaning the purpose. I hope you got it very clear right now. What I'm saying here. These are the things to see. These are the tools. Why important? I'm going to say, let me say, because of see, medical equipment is going to connect the patient. Patient having a different multiple issues. That's why patient is coming to the hospital to take the treatment, to get the diagnosis, everything. Okay. So then what happened? That patient, if a ventilator is going, that ventilator pressure is going inside of the equipment there, already equipment touching and equipment provided. Then what happened? Infection will be there. So that is the reason before cleaning purpose, then you should accessories required things I'm going to show you, and every point is very very helpful and protect in your life. Every instructions are very very important. That's why very restricted. And if you want to survive long time in biomedical services, you should be perfect long time. Then only you can survive long years. Success rate. Okay. Right. Come to the point right now. Let me show you. And whoever new persons, please subscribe now and like my sessions. Definitely valid points I'm going to share with you all. And tools see here. To clean the PCB purpose here, tools PCB cleaner, IPA, and soft brush, and lint free swab, and a lint free cloth, and air blower, and ESD safe clothes, and safety goggles. Okay. These are the things. See why these are the things pin to pin I'm giving means if you are not following any instructions, it is going to create the biggest problem in your life. Okay, health is wealthy. That is the reason. If you are a dedicated engineer, at the same time you have to dedicate it to your health. Understand? So that's why every protocol, every point, try to get it all things and what I'm saying here. So see, I hope you got it very clear right now. What are the things here important? Okay, right. Come on. Next point. Basic PCB cleaning procedure. See here. This is the very, very important point I'm going to say. And these are the things service time. It's are very, very important. Okay. Total 8 points are there. And let me finish right now. Let me show you all things and very clearly. I'm going to zoom right now. Then it is visible to you. Then you can understand and you can see the concept. Then you can do your work in your work area. So today, see, daily I'm giving 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours live sessions. Those live sessions, sir, it is going to record always. It is going to store in YouTube channel. Okay, so that's why once I prepare means I will not go that topic again. I hope you got it very clear right now. Now, basic PCB cleaning procedure step by step. See here, what are the things important and before cleaning the situations. Pin to pin I'm giving means everything for your success purpose and for your safety purpose I'm giving here. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Basic PCB cleaning procedures is step by step. Number one, switch off and disconnect power. Okay, see here how look like images also are giving here because of for your understanding purpose. If you are a new person, if you are a fresher, then you may not have an idea. Then this is going to give the examples in your life, right? Again, it is going to zoom, then it is very visible right now. See here, basic PCB cleaning procedures step by step. Number one point is switch off and disconnect power supply, and see here how remove. And next here, ensure the equipment is completely switched off and disconnected from the power source. Okay, these all things you should do it because of you are inter touching the equipment and directly you are involving the components, then many chances are there electricals will be there, and because of their electrical components are placed on that PCB and those are electric storage will be there. Then these all things you have to check it by using your multimeter, then only you will confirm, then you touch the equipment and then start the procedure. Okay, PCB cleaning step by step. See here, first point. Okay, completed. Next here, second, see here, discharge capacitors. So first of all, you have to know what are the components are there. If you see the component, what is this? Okay, capacitor. What is this? The resistor. The what is this? MOSFET. Like see here. So different every component. Whenever you see this, then you have to find out. Okay. So every step you have to learn. Every step you have to practice. Every step you have to implement. Understand? Now every step you do experiment, then only you will catch your points. Okay, right? And see, possible ways only I'm giving you because of easy way I try to give you, but easy to catch my points. Now see a discharge capacitor. See here, discharge capacitors were applicable to avoid electric shock or damage. See these all things. Next, inspect the PCB. Complete PCB, you have to check it all things. And visual check the board for any damages and burn marks and loose component or contaminations. Okay, these are things first check it. Next, see here, apply PCB cleaner or IPA. Apply a suitable cleaner or IPA on the brush or lint-free swab. Do not pour directly on the board. Okay, these are the things you have to follow directly. Yes, I have a liquid. Just don't pour like this. Okay, just by using the brush. That's why every instructions I'm giving is if you are not following, then many issues will be happen. You will not resolve the issues. Okay, so that's why I try to follow the instructions what I'm saying here, and definitely it is very, very useful in your work area. Now see here, apply PCB cleaner or IPS here. These are the PCB cleaner. Next, gently clean the board. See here, how clean, like see here. Gently clean the board and clean around components, IC pins and connector and tracks, and do not apply excessive force. Okay. So here you have to keep in your mind what I'm saying here. because of these are the electrical components, and when you start the equipment, then if it is any moving, then it is going to short circuit. Understand? So very visual inspection is very important. Okay, now see here, sixth point, see here, allow to dry completely and let the board air dry completely and ensure no moisture remains. Okay, these are the things very important. Proper work is important, proper practice is important, proper repair is important, and proper diagnosis is important. Okay, here see, to give the working condition in work equipment, medical equipment, then these are the things you have to check it to all things. Okay, I hope you are getting my point right now. Right now, like my sessions and subscribe now, my dear engineers. Now come to the point right now. Seventh point here, cleaning step by step. Seventh point, inspect again. Check for corrosion, fill lifted tracks and solder cracks and any remaining contamination. See, contaminations is how look like round up here, given here. For your understanding purpose, very pin to pin points I'm going to show you, because of you will have a great platform, that is Biomedical Engineer with Ganesh sir. Now see here, eighth point I'm going to show you. See here, perform testing. So perform continuity and functional testing before powering the board. Okay, these are all things very important. See, before, first of all, before check the PCB, then take your multimeter. So then without doing anything, just to take the all parameters. Okay, so what are the components placed on the PCB? Then by using your multimeter, then take a paper. Okay, then from this circuit to this circuit. Okay, this is the circuit one. Okay, you can keep name. Then okay, this circuit is okay, this circuit is okay, right? Fine. Just after cleaning by using the PCB cleaner, then again you have to check it, and then maximum issues will resolve. Still if not resolved, then you have to find out what tracking and what components defective. So these are the things you have to follow the instructions. Okay, pin to pin point I'm going to share you with this much. I have a patience to share with you all. Actually, as a state regional manager, and I no need to give you all things, but in positive mind, in my mind always, okay, my junior should get a good positions and my junior should become like me. Because of today I'm doing all things, I'm keeping efforts and in right way, and I'm not doing any other activities. I'm focusing on my career. I want to get a good positions every day. So whatever I have achieved, whatever I have aim in my life, those things, every designations, I'm keeping ambitions, and at the same time I'm keeping target. At the same time I'm following instructions. At the same time I'm reaching my target. So today what I achieved, all things, those things I'm trying to give you all information. Okay, take it positive. Come to the point right now, my dear engineers. Now perform testing. See here. So after all things, so don't connect the power supply. Okay. So before connect the power supply, then you have to check it all continuity, because of sometimes what happen, if you're cleaning that same, sometimes short circuit will be happen. So that's why once, twice, thrice, you have to think, and before, see, think before you act. That is very important. See, whatever things, these are the very minute things. Sir, little bit, sir, what happened? No. Okay, this is the electronic components. If little bit touching also, it is going to blast. Short circuits will be happen. Okay, so that's why don't ignore small mistakes, and be see binocular glasses by using, then definitely you have to catch it. Okay, right. I hope you got it till what I have explained here. Yes, yes. Now come here. See, every point I'm going to show you do's and don't do's. I'm going to show you very important. See here, my dear engineers. See, these all things, if you engage my sessions, see, already I got profit in my life and I achieved in my life. If you engage my live sessions, if you know more informations, then you will have a bright future and you will get a good positions and you will get an opportunity. Okay. So if you are having a reference in your life, you will get a job. But if you have a potentiality, if you have a skillful knowledge individually, every opportunity come to your home, come to your legs. So that much you have to maintain your dignity, discipline, and skills. For those skills I'm giving here, and now come to the point. Don't do so. What to do, what not to do. Okay, by using my experiences, those things I'm going to explain here, and just keep watch it. I'm going to zoom it right now, and definitely catch my points what I'm saying here. Okay. Now see here, PCB level, see here, do's and don't do's. First of all, I'm going to read do's. What to do? Biomedical engineers. Use appropriate cleaner as per requirement. Okay. Focus at, okay, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. And apply cleaner on brush or swab, not directly on the board. And wear ESD safety gloves and safety goggles. Ensure proper ventilation and allow the board to dry completely and follow manufacturer's recommendations and store cleaners in originally closed containers. Okay, these are the important things have to follow. Understand? Yes. To first of all, see this picture. What are the things, and take a picture also if you need it. Understand? So do, so see here what to do, what not to do. Now I'm going to say don't do. See here. Do not clean energized or powered boards. Okay, that's why before only I am giving the instructions. Those boards don't do like this. Okay, and that is not coming means to take a blade and light scrap. Don't do like this, because of then what happen, tracks will get damaged and communication will damage, and then circuit will not working. Okay, outside if you repair, if you replace the component also, but instead of the track level, that is going to damage. That's why always I'm saying it is a very sensitive topic, and sensitive components and sensitive PCB and critical equipments. Okay, so that's why take it serious and listen to carefully. And these are the things. See, when you are doing very clearly, then after you done the work, you will get a good result and you will get a satisfaction. Yes, I did my job. Yes, today I resolve the issue. Yes, today I make it working condition. That much confidence and that much happiness will come to your life, right? Because of today you are getting good salary. That is not that is happy, but self satisfaction when come when you dedicated the equipment. Yes, today I involved the complete equipment. Today I resolved the ventilator issue. So that much proud come to you in your mind. So that much prestigious, respectable you should maintain. Okay. So that purpose, see, today I'm leading and I'm maintaining all time. I'm very happy because of every designations I cross over and every work I passed and whatever I have interested, those things if I focus, I can catch it and I will drag it and I want to get it in a right way. So those things I got in things. Okay, that is the reason I'm giving all live sessions. Okay, so my live sessions, see here, multiple way I want to interact with you all and as a normal human being. And see, these are the things, if you communicate, definitely will get a great information. Okay, right, first of all, see this picture. My dear engineers, do's and don't do's first to see all. And first of all, let me read out don't do's. I will tell you, I will finish this. Do not clean energized or power boards, and do not use excessive amount of cleaner, and do not use water based cleaners unless approved by the manufacturers, and do not scrub with hard or metallic tools, and do not touch the board with bare hands. It's very very important, my dear engineer, listen to carefully. Do not use cleaners on incompatible plastics, and labels are sensitive components. Okay, these are the things what not to do. The things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, here you have to follow the instructions. So what to do, the things you have to follow and you have to implement in your work, and what not to do, the things those things you have to keep in your mind and you have to awareness. Okay. Sometimes happen means again you come back here and what you did the mistake you have to find out. You are the final decision maker, and that much capability. Individually if you do mistake also, yes, I did the mistake, I find out, that much capability you have to gain. Then only biomedical engineering is going to success, right? Yes, first of all, see this picture what I'm showing here in this presentation. Do's, don't do's. Next I will go to one of the another point. Yes, I hope you got it. And my dear engineers, whoever newcomers, new engineers, subscribe now, and notification will come to your mobile. And see, every day I'm giving means it is very very valuable information about the biomedical engineering. This is going to be the big platform. And see, after you watch my live sessions, after you watch my complete videos, If you have any doubt, sir, I am a biomedical engineer, sir. I'm not have idea, sir. Can you say that, sir, point? Then give me comment in my YouTube channel, okay? And daily I'm giving live sessions, means topic basis. I'm coming here. I'm going to provide the information which is important and which is necessary to in your life, right? I hope you are catching my points. What I'm saying here, we are the qualified engineers, and we should be skilled field engineers, and we should be useful in the competitive society, right? Yes. Now come here. So many points I have given here, and see here applications. Applications already I have said here. See applications. If I show this also, these are the not enough to show you because of electronic components everywhere. Okay, not only what I'm so for example purpose I'm showing you, but these are the not enough to show you because of everywhere is electronic components. Everywhere is PCB is there. Yes, so that's why you have to understand. If you know these all things, basics electronics, you can survive anywhere because of now we are living the competitive technological way. Not only for medical way, okay, technical means related to all areas, not only for medical, okay. So that's why listen to carefully, try to take it serious. And applications, see I'm going to say, and customers, see consumer electronics and medical equipment, see applications I'm going to show you. And whatever I bring it for you, those notes, every point I'm going to show you. That's why my live session is going this much time. Okay, these all information is needed because of whoever interested. So these all points, any point, anytime, many opportunity to face the problem. So that time, this my live sessions, it is going to helpful in your life, right? And see live, if you are working in your area, then if you are having a problem, then no need that much time you may not have. Yes, so at that time no need to watch the video. Okay, direct to go to my channel. Sir, I am checking the ventilators are there, but getting this alarm, sir. So what problem will be there? What causes will be there, sir? Can you give the advice, sir? Try to communicate politely and dignity. Definitely I will be there to support you because of I am a professional biomedical engineer and leading as a state regional manager, and I'm maintaining good fame in the society. That's why I'm expecting every politeness is very, very important, and give respect, take respect is important, and ethicals are very, very you have to follow, and you should be ambition. Then you have to approach me. Okay, right? Approach me means what? Only social media only because of in our real life we are busy. We have to take responsible as a biomedical engineering top level categories. Yes, so everyone should have that much responsibility, and everyone should have it that much opportunity, right? Yes, come on, come to the point right now. Let me finish right now. See here, sample purpose industrial electronics and automotive ECU and modules and telecom devices and computer and service boards. For example purpose, I'm giving here, but lots of lakhs of components, devices available in the society. Right, come to the point right now. Now, final point I'm going to finish right now because of 100 point I have said here. Okay, very valid points, which is important for PCB tracing procedure purpose, multiple way I'm giving informations and every point, very useful point I have shared here. Okay, and now come to the point right now. Let me finish right now, and the going to finish because of maximum topic completed now. And 2 points are there. I'm going to finish right now. See it here. Safety precautions. I'm going to show these pictures here. Biomedical engineers, subscribe now. Safety precautions here. See, these are the symbols you have to keep in your mind. Okay, my dear biomedical engineers, these are the symbols. When you see the symbols, then you have to understand, yes, these are the dangerous. So that is the difference between, okay, one senior engineer getting high salary, one junior engineer getting not that much salary. Why? What is the difference between? Both are completed graduations, and both are completed all things, but experience is very, very important, mostly in technical field. Okay, because without waste of time, attend the call and check it and resolve and find out. That is the seniority. Junior what? To find out the issue purpose, you have to check it. Then what happen? Patient will die. So time is important because of as a biomedical engineer, instant response and very less time you have to resolve the issues. That is the great challenge in biomedical services. Okay. So that is the intention. Today, if I share these all informations, and definitely you will get awareness, and definitely you will be prepared, and definitely you will be a smart in your work area, right? I'm expecting upcoming engineers, every smart engineers you have to become, and you lead your life. And while do your duty, Then if you have any problem, just communicate with me. Definitely I will be there to support you, provide the information. And here, see here, what I'm showing here, see, here safety precautions, see here. Images were bases and points also I'm going to read and see here. Used in well ventilated area, see here. This is ventilation. And that's why if you found any electronic component there, one fan will be there, understand? In PCB board, motherboard, see, PCB board, that is motherboard, main board, control board, like that is fan will be there. Why? It is controlling the heat remove, okay, heating purpose. Complete medical equipment, why having fan? Because of these are the things completely going to functioning, and when releasing the power supply, then it is working, then it is going to heat, then only it will function. Overheating, what happened? Then damages, because of high voltages will come, because electronic components are manufactured based on limited specifications, that is DC. In that, active and passive elements are there, but if you go there, then lot of information are there. It is going to take 1 hour. Okay, let me finish right now. Next topic basis today, what I was showing here, successfully I have completed here. Yes. Now see here, used in well ventilated area. Next, keep away from fire, sparks, and heated. See here. Okay, see here, no fire. Next, IP and other cleaners are flammable. See here, no smoking. And wear ESD gloves and goggles and mask if required. See here, these are the things, gloves and goggles, and keep out of reach of children. And maximum here, children are not available. But if you are doing work as a workshop in your work area personally, then don't don't keep your family in front of the workshop. Okay, workshop should be separate, and work is work. Okay, work is worship, work is work, you have to keep separate. That is a professional thing. When you go to home, then you have to take protocols, all things, and you have to clean your hands, everything, and you should be hygienic to reach your family. Okay, my advice. Now see here, read SDS safety data sheet before use. See, these are the things important. See, when you repair things, then every equipment, every component, before we have a precautions. Manuals will be there, and circuit analysis is there. Okay, and service manuals are there. So those are the things you have to understand and time taken process. So that is the reason, if you are a junior team, then daily practice daily service manuals. How to read the manual purpose, I have given the complete video. You can go to my channel and playlist, you will get it. Okay, right. I hope you got it, and whoever newcomers, please subscribe now, my dear engineers. Now come here, compatibility check it. See here, these are the very important point, very important and required and demand point only I am going to share here, because of time is very important, and whatever I am giving contributions about my skills, those skills, it is going to change your career. If you engage my sessions, if you change your life, that is my great achievement. Understand? Right. I hope you people are supporting me, and you can watch my sessions, and you can improve your skills. Yes? Yeah. Now compatibility check here. Always check compatibility of a cleaner with plastics, coatings or conformal coating, and labels or markings, and connectors and rubber and insulators. These are the thing. Here I want to give the advice, pin to pin check it all things. Understand? Because of little mistake also, it is create the biggest problem. It is going to high purchases. And same small thing, it is going to save the budget also. So that is the credit. Technically, why? Because of, if you take for ventilator, their MCB board, like motherboard. Okay, so motherboard they're not getting. That's what happened. Actually, their resistor, capacitor, damn blast, and MOSFET. Okay, so those things you have to replace. So that component, how much price? Very less price when compared the spare part. Okay, so that is the reason, that is the power of the skilled engineer. That's why every hospital, every management recommending biomedical engineer. Why? Because of that equipment value lacks of cost, but repair cost is, okay, how much? 1%. When? Whenever engineer have skilled engineer, then 100% profit. Otherwise, we have to depend third party, and we have to replace the spare part, and so many things are there. Okay, like courier charges are there, and equipment need to send, otherwise need to check it. It is a time taken process, and penalty will get it, and then that is the reason If you are a single best performer, if you know these all things, then single moment time is you can save, and you can give the best reliable services, and definitely company will satisfy what you are performed. Yes. So those things purpose I am giving the instructions which is important and to perform your duty. Okay. So mostly, so many engineers, sir, I did the work, sir. Sir, I performed well, sir. Sir, number of calls I attended, sir. But still, I'm not getting increments, sir. Why, sir? Why company not recognizing, sir? Like then your inside part everything is monitoring by the management. We are the top level categories, so we are observing that much category. That's why if you don't know, if you do not have an idea, try to communicate with me. Definitely, I will be give the instructions. Okay, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. What I'm saying here. Now, complex compatibility check it. These are the things. I hope you got it. Next, come here. Important notes. I want to go. I want to finish this topic because of maximum topic. I finished an important notes. See here. Before ending this live session, I want to give the important notes. Very very important. You have to keep in your mind. Okay. Trace procedure purpose. This much complete information I'm giving here. If you catch my point, definitely you will get a good life. And see, now come to the point. Important notes of this complete task. Use high purity IPA 90 to 99% for best results. And flux cleaner is must for removing flux residues. And residue free cleaning ensure reliable performance. And regular cleaning increases life of equipment. And clean board and stable operation and less breakdown. These are the very very important. Okay. See how much your performance, how much you are performed. That is not a matter, how you are performing and how equipment is going working, that is important, and reliability is very very important, understand? So that's why for you get the reliability and good services purpose, these are the points you have to take it in your work area, then only will become a technical master in biomedical engineering things. Okay. And like see, so many topics are there because of 18 years of experience. Means I have worked in different areas, different situations I have attended, and different complaints attended, resolved issues. That's why every point I'm going to explain in my live sessions. Okay. So important notes. I hope you got it. Next, clean PCB, safe PCB, strong PCB. What a fantastic, yes. What see here finally? See here, clean PCB, safe PCB, strong PCB. Understand? Right. Keep it in your mind. And what I'm saying here. So successfully today, I have completed the. See, that is also one of the achievement because of see, I brought the. I have decided the topic to give you all information, sir. When I created, yes, this is the long informations. How much time taken? Can I finish or not? Can I support or not? And some everything thing. But my dedication is here. My consistency is here. My ambition is here. That definitely I have a good patient, and definitely I want to finish the topic what I have achieved in my life. Right. So like this, after see completion of this live session, you have to get it what I have explained here. Those things like me, if you dedicate your time and if you're interested, if you have ambition, then go to through on it. If you want to get the resources purpose, definitely I will be there to support you. Okay, I will provide the live sessions, and today also I'm providing live sessions based on students, engineering students, and like staffs and my staff and junior senior engineer. That is the reason today I come back here to provide the valuable information. Okay, I hope you got it very clear, my dear engineers. So these are all informations I have successfully provided here. So, so all informations I hope very clearly explained and I shared here, right? And see, still if you have any doubt, just give me comment in my YouTube channel. Based on your comment, how to replay or to make a live session, I will decide. Okay, right. Really, I'm very proud of you all and whoever engage and give respect, take respect, and lead your life. Okay, by following the instructions, you maintain the self-respect. Okay, right. Now I'm going to stop this presentation because of maximum 100 points. Whatever things I have explained here successfully completed. I hope you got it very clear right now. See, here today, what I decided completely PCB trace purpose, very clearly information, sir. I try to give you all. So today I done it. Thank you so much. And whoever watched my sessions, thank you so much. And tomorrow live session I will come next another topic. Okay. Right. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. I will come back again.